So we have a Pendoo vacuum sealer machine. It comes with bags. Probably 10 large bags. And the user manual. The hose to vacuum seal jars. And a nice stainless steel sealer. You've got the accessory port here to vacuum seal jars. Auto and stop. Press that to seal the bag. Press this to vacuum pack the bag. Here's the mode. You can switch from a gentle vacuum to a normal vacuum. Food, you can pick between moist or dry food. Here are the quick instructions. Got the heating strip here. These are the vacuum channels. This is the bar that the heating strip seals the bags on. This lifts out. You can either feed bags through this side or the front. Gives you instructions for using the machine. So let's plug it in and give it a try. The vacuum bags that come with it are very durable, very good quality. Texture on one side, smooth on the other. Textured side goes down in the tray. Press down, make sure you hear both sides click. And then if you have a bag with an open end, you can just hit seal. If you have a bag that has one end open and you have whatever you want in there, you can hit auto stop and it'll automatically vacuum and seal and then stop when it's done. We'll vacuum seal some rice. Put the textured side down. Place the end of it up against these tabs. 3 tabs here. Press the top down until you hear it click. And then press auto stop and it'll automatically vacuum and seal the bag. Light comes on, says it's sealing. Great seal. Put the food on dry. Mode on normal. Really great seal, actually. Very good seal. Great job on the coffee. So with hamburger, press the textured side down. Then change the food to moist by pressing food. It says moist now. And press. Change the food back to dry. Press it. Make sure the edge here and here are both dry. Put the textured side down. Put the end of the bag up against these tabs. If you buy a roll of sealable plastic bags, it is just one big tube basically. So you have to figure out the size you want. Try to cut it as evenly as possible. You don't want a whole lot of jags on this side. You want this side very smooth. So right now you've got basically a tube. You're going to put the textured side down. You just need to put the end on this part. You don't need to insert it down into the vacuum well. You just want to put it, 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch. Press down, hit seal. And you've sealed the bottom of the bag.